Will in the countryside have any advantages? The air pass and they index pollution lie in class and feed plus and people often have in consider the com of living in also safer than in the city. However, there are some disadvantages as limited transportation, fewer schools of people at job opportunity. Living in the city also have any advantage. There are many schools of Hopperton and workplace transportation in more convenient and modern technology in reliable. However, city life also has disadvantages such as well-wintered more pollution, noise, and alike a con of living test for can have their own advantages and disadvantages.